everybody, welcome back. For today's video, we are going to be making these adorable watermelon cake pops. So let's go ahead and get started. So we are using a store-bought strawberry cake mix. Bake your cake according to package directions, except add an extra egg and replace the oil with an equal amount of melted butter. Adding cream cheese to add to our cake so that in our KitchenAid it combines nicely. You're welcome to use white vanilla frosting instead. With our paddle attachment, we are going to go ahead and mix it up, and we are looking for a Play-Doh consistency. We are adding a couple drops of red food coloring. We want to give our cake pops a nice watermelon color. This is the consistency that we're looking for, and the color is perfect as well. To imitate the seeds in a watermelon, we are adding half a cup of mini chocolate chips. Give it a quick mix. And voila, we have a watermelon. Let's go ahead and roll our cake pops. Step one is to make sure that you have super clean hands. We are using an ice cream scoop to make sure that the cake pops are all the same size and give them more of an oval look, just so that they are the same shape as a watermelon. So our cake pops have been chilling in the fridge for about 15 minutes, and now it's time to attach our sticks. We're using green candy melts that we melted in the microwave at 30-second intervals. So we dip our stick in the candy melt, attach it to the cake pop, and we insert it into a styrofoam. This is how they are going to chill. Pops are out of the fridge, cold and firm. We will proceed with dipping them in our chocolate. Tap the cake pops to get rid of the excess, and voila! Touch, we are going to paint our cake pops. We are using electric green with a splash of white, and to top it off, we are adding some vodka. If you don't have vodka, you can replace it with lemon extract, just a few drops. So using a brush, we're going to take some of the colors and just add some squiggly lines to make it look like the outside of a watermelon. Alright guys, so this is our finished product and we love them. They're so cute and they really do resemble a watermelon. If you liked our video, please make sure to subscribe for more and make sure to click on the notification bell. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching.